Introduction. A centrifuge is a type of equipment used in an API plant to separate a solid from a slurry and partially dry it. It works by spinning and creating a centrifugal force. The slurry entering the centrifuge remains on a filter. The spinning basket then forces the liquid out of the wet slurry through a filter medium. The solid is retained by the filter for further processing. There are several types of centrifuges used in API plants. Two commonly used types are the batch filtering centrifuge, vertical axis type, and the inverting filter centrifuge, horizontal axis type. Operation of a centrifuge continued. A centrifugal force is generated within the body of the centrifuge by rotating the basket between 200 and 600 RPM, or revolutions per minute. The slurry is then fed through the inlet pipe into the rotating basket. When enough slurry has been added, the feed to the basket is closed. The slurry should spread evenly on the filter cloth as the basket rotates. The centrifugal force generated from the spinning basket forces the filtrate from the slurry through the filter cloth. The filtrate is then removed through a drain. The solid is left behind on the inside of the filter cloth. The rotational speed is increased between 1,000 and 1,600 RPM, depending on the type of centrifuge. This increase in speed is to make the drying process more effective and to remove as much of the filtrate as possible. A sight glass on the outlet line can be used to determine when no further filtrate is being removed.